In this video, we will be demonstrating how to report quality measures and how to run the quality measures report. Reporting quality measures can be done through the Patient's Encounter on the Invoice tab. Open a patient's chart and either open a currently existing encounter or create a new encounter. Click on the Invoice tab of the encounter and click on the Quality Measures MIPS Macro tab of the invoice. On the Quality Measures tab, the measures will be broken down into three categories: measures that need to be reported on each encounter during the reporting period, measures that need to be reported only once per patient per reporting period, and finally, measures that only apply to diabetic patients. The age, encounter code, and denominator columns will indicate if the patient qualifies for each measure. The last column will indicate if the patient should have a reporting code. Red flags mean the patient needs a code. Blue flags mean the patient does not qualify. And when the measure has been reported, the code will show in this column. To select a code for reporting, double-click on the measure to report, or click on the Measures tab in the top section of the Quality Measures tab. On this screen, you can select the applicable reporting code. After you have selected the appropriate code, you can return to the Encounters tab to select another measure. Select another measure by clicking the Measures tab, or leave the Quality Measures tab altogether. Please note that when reporting by claims, the selected code will be added to the invoice of the encounter after leaving the measure screen. To change the code when reporting by claims, you must first remove the code from the invoice before selecting a new code. Once you have completed selecting your desired codes, save and close, or sign and close the encounter. Once back on the patient's chart, click the Reports drop-down menu in the upper left-hand area of TrackNet, hover over the Quality Payment Program, and select the Quality Measures to open the Quality Measures report. On the Quality Measures report, you can select the provider or group and date range you will be reporting for. You can also select the year for the report and the report type. These will default to the current year and method selected for reporting. Click Execute to run the report. Executing the report on summary will provide a summary for each measure. In the summary, the denominator column is all patients that qualify for this measure. The columns Exclusions, Performance Met, Not Met, and Exceptions are the codes that were reported for your patients. The Data Completeness column is the total number of reported codes divided by the total number of qualified patients. The last column, Performance Rate, is the number of codes reported for performance met divided by the total performance met and not met. To execute the detailed version of the report, select the Details tab, select the measure you would like to execute, and click the Execute button. The Details report will show you a summary of the measure you selected and the list of patients that qualify for that measure, detailing the reporting status. This concludes our video tutorial on quality measures. Please refer to the description of this video for a link to the written guide that outlines these steps, and thank you for watching.